Hello everybody! So in the last lesson, tayo ay nag-undergo ng buong process ng journalizing or the recording of all business transactions during the month. Now, we are ready to move on to the next step of the accounting cycle, which is what we call posting. Okay, so in posting, we will now be dealing with the general ledger. The general ledger is the collection of all of the account titles, and it summarizes all of the transactions that has happened in an account. Okay, so for example, this is the T account for cash. The left side of an account, if you would remember, again, this is debit, and then the right side of an account is credit. Okay, so debit, credit. Tapos, lahat ng transactions na may kinalaman sa cash dun sa recording process na ginawa natin, masasummarize yan dito sunod-sunod. Okay? So, all of the cash transactions that has happened will be summarized here. So now, I'll be showing you the process of posting. Okay? So, we have here, as an example, yung pinakauna nating transaction noong April 1, yung cash investment by the owner na 6 million ni Miss Yu. Okay? And then, yung nandito natin is yung general ledger. Ito yung ledger natin for cash. Okay? And then, ito yung ledger natin for the capital account. Okay? So, we have the date column and then items column. Hindi natin to sinusulatan kapag normal journal entries. But for specialized journal entries like adjusting entries, closing entries, reversing entries, those different kinds of entries, tsaka natin to lalagyan. Pero tsaka na natin pag-usapan. And then, ayan, pag-uusapan na natin ano yung function ng PR, ng posting reference, and then, debit. Tapos, ganun ulit, date, items, posting reference, credit. Okay. Ang gagawin natin ngayon ay yung mismong proseso ng posting. So, ganito gagawin natin. The entry for April 1 has been debit cash, 6 million, credit, youth capital, 6 million. Kung paano mo basahin, ganun mo lang din siya ipopost. Okay? So, here's what you do. Cash is debited at 6 million. Cash ang account. So, saan ka pupunta sa ledger? E di syempre, sa account na cash. Okay? Kailan yung date? April 1, 2020. Ganon din yung gagawin mo dito. Tapos, ang cash ay naka-debit at 6 million. So, sa cash, debit 6 million, anong gagawin mo dito? E di lalagay ko rin dito, debit 6 million. Saan galing tong 6 million? Sa page 1 ng General Journal. Kaya ang ilalagay ko dito, posting reference, page 1. Tapos, ito, na-post ko na sa cash account. Ang cash account ay account number 101. To signify that this has already been posted, ilalagay ko dito yung account number. Na-post ko na to sa account number 101. So, lalagay ko dito 101. Ang tawag sa paglalagay ng page number of the journal in the posting reference column of the ledger and the account number of the ledger in the posting reference column of the journal ay cross-indexing. Tapos na tayo sa debit, gawin natin yung credit. Yun capital. E di syempre, saan ka pupunta? Sa yun capital. Lalagay din natin yung date. Pero, tingnan mabubuti, nasa credit. So, sa credit tayo maglalagay ng date. Tapos, youth capital, credit 6 million. So, lalagay ko dito sa credit 6 million. Anong page natin nakita to? Page 1. And to signify that this has been already posted, account number 301, lalagay ko dito 301. Ganun lang. Okay? Cash, cash. Tapos, 6 million, 6 million sa debit. Tapos, page 1, page 1. Account number 101, 101. Yun, capital. Okay? Tapos, 6 million. Tapos, page 1, page 1. Account number 301, account number 301. Yan po yung tinatawag nating process ng posting. Repetitive yan. Lahat ng journal entries, ganyan lang ang gagawin natin. Now, in your handout, makikita nyo doon, hindi ganito yung format ng ating ledger. Pinasimplify ko muna. So, in your handout, ang nakalagay doon, puro T accounts. So, yun yung gagamitin natin. O, mas simple, pag T account, ganito lang gagawin nyo. Okay. Debit cash, 6 million. Debit cash, 6 million. Credit yun capital, 6 million. Yun capital, credit, 6 million. Naintindihan nyo? Ganun lang. Cash, debit, 6 million. O, debit to, di ba? Cash, 6 million. Yun capital, credit, 6 million. Yun capital, credit, 6 million. So, yung buong proseso ng ginawa nating journalizing, tapos ipopost natin, ganito lang din yung gagawin natin. Okay? So, we are ready to do the posting process for landing on new travel services company. Okay, so we are now ready to start the posting process. Ganun lang gagawin natin. When the account title is in debit, you put it on the debit side. And then, when the account title is in credit, then you put the amount on the credit side. Okay? So, you open the journal entries that we have recorded, and then, pupunta din kayo sa ledger. So, lipat-lipat kayo. Hanggang matapos natin yung lahat ng journal entries, then maipost natin. Okay? Hindi mo na lahat ng T accounts na nasa handout nyo is sinulat ko dito. Okay? So, ang nilagay ko lang dito yung nagamit natin kasi hindi kasya sa ating board today. Okay? So, let's start. April 1, debit cash, 6 million. Credit Yun Capital, 6 million. Debit organization expense, 250,000. Credit cash, 250,000. Then, debit cash, 100,000. Credit notes payable, 100,000. Debit automobile, 3,200,000. Credit accounts payable, 3,200,000. We continue with debit equipment, 300,000. Credit cash, 300,000. Debit office supplies, 50,000. Debit prepaid rent, 150,000. Credit cash, 200,000. So kung mapapansin nyo, basta nasa debit, di nilalagay ko sa debit. Pag nilalagay ko sa credit, ibig sabihin, nasa credit, ganun lang siya. Okay? And as you can see, nasa summarize per account title yung mga nangyayari. Tuloy natin. Okay? Debit furniture and fixtures, 600,000. Credit cash, 200,000. Credit accounts payable, 400,000. Debit cash, 73,160. Credit local travel fees earned. Ito yun, local travel fees earned. 73,160. Debit accounts payable, 1,600,000. So dito. And then, credit cash, 1,600,000. Debit salaries expense, 95,000. So this is our salaries. Credit cash, 95,000. Debit accounts receivable, 194,440. Credit international travel fees earned. International travel fees earned. So we have 194,440. Debit repairs and maintenance expense, 7,000. Credit cash, 7,000. Debit cash, 689,632. Credit unearned local travel fees, ito yun, credit, 51,630. Okay? And then credit unearned international travel fees, 638,000. Okay? Debit cash, 116,664. Credit accounts receivable, 116,664. Debit Yun drawing, 30,000. Credit cash, 30,000. And then debit salaries expense, 95,000. Debit utilities expense, 12,000. Debit gas and oil expense, 10,000. And credit cash, 117,000. Okay. So we're done. Now, so ano mapapansin nyo? In the posting process, we summarize the transactions based on what happened on the account ng mabilisan. Kunyari, look at equipment. Ibig sabihin, we have an equipment worth 300,000. We have an automobile worth 3,200,000. Nagkaroon ng drawing during the period na 30,000. Kumbaga, at a glance, maiintindihan mo kung ano yung nangyari during the accounting period. Because the transactions has been summarized in each account title. So the next thing that we will do is we will get the totals of each of these. Ang tawag natin doon ay primary ruling and balancing of accounts. Paano ginagawa yon? Total natin lahat ng debit versus sa total ng lahat ng credit. Okay, so we're ready. So ang gagawin natin ay debit versus credit. Dapat ang mga account balances natin is nakadepende sa kanilang normal balances. Ano yung normal balances? Pag asset, drawing, tsaka expense, dapat debit balances. Kapag ka naman liability, capital, tsaka revenue, dapat credit balances sila. Remember the rules of debit and credit, di ba doon sila nag-i-increase? Kung saan nag-i-increase yung account na side, kung debit or credit side, yun yung tinatawag nating normal balances nila. Okay? So, let's start. Ang gagawin ko muna, total ko lahat na nandito. Okay? So, 6 million plus 100,000 plus 73,160 plus 689,632 plus 116,664. Susulat ko muna ng maliit yun sa debit. Okay? 6,979,456. Hindi pa to yung balance ha, kasi may credit pa tayong i-check. Oh. So, total ko naman ngayon lahat ng credit. 250,000 plus 300,000 plus 200,000 plus 200,000 plus 1,600,000 plus 95,000 plus 7,000 plus 30,000 plus 117,000. Okay? So, dito naman ay, dito ko na lang sa baba, maliit, 2,799,000. Okay. Mas malaki yung debit natin sa credit pag maminusin lang natin. Okay? So, 6,979,456 minus 2,799 gives us 4,180,456. So, ang gagawin ko sa primary ruling and balancing, lalagay ko yung balance. 4,180,456. Habang ginagawa natin sa video, dapat tinatry nyo rin para napapractice nyo. Okay? Dito, ito madali lang to. Debit minus credit lang yan. 194,440 minus 116,664, 77,776. Ito, wala tayong problema dito. 50,000. This one, 150,000. Automobile, 3,200,000. Equipment, 300,000. Furniture and fixtures, 600,000. Pag yun lang yung balance, di yun na yun. Okay? Next dito. Sa credit, dalawa. So, 3,200,000 plus 400,000. Okay? So, dito, 3,600,000. Yung ginagawa kong maliliit na ganito, bago ko siya talagang itotal, ang tawag dyan, pencil fusion. Okay? Tapos, 3,600,000 minus 1,600,000, 2 million. That's sa credit ko nilagay. Bukod sa dahil mas malaki ang credit kaysa sa debit dito sa accounts payable, ang accounts payable ay isang liability account. At ang liability account, ang normal balance niya ay nasa credit. Same here. Okay? Ito, 100,000. Ito naman, 51,632. Naman, 638,000. Tingnan niyo lahat ng liabilities natin, lahat sila ay credit balances. Tingnan niyo yung mga asset natin, lahat sila ay debit balances. Ibig sabihin, tama yung ginagawa natin. Okay? Capital, 6 million. Ang capital din ay credit balance. Pero ang drawing ay dapat debit balance. Local travel fees earned is a revenue account, so dapat credit balance. So tama naman. 73,160. International travel fees earned is also a revenue account, 194,440. Okay? Tapos tayo sa revenue. Expenses naman, lahat naman na expense ay dapat debit balance din. Meron tayong dalawang 95,000, so 95,000 plus 95,000 will give us 190,000. Then, utilities is 12,000. Repairs and maintenance, hindi rock monster, 7,000. Then, organization expense, 250,000. And your gas and oil, 10,000. Recap natin. Asset, dapat lahat nasa debit. Liabilities, lahat nasa credit. Capital, nasa credit. Drawing, debit. Revenue, credit. Expenses, nasa debit. Okay? So, we're done with the posting process. Next video, we will prepare a trial balance. Thank you and have a great day.